This is my new M.2 SSD Encloser. As you can see, this is the package in which it came from, M.2 SSD Encloser. So this is how it looks. This is the enclosure. As you can see, you just slide it in there and then it just fits. These are the side rails enclosure that closes on the sides. This is the book, like the manual that tells you how to operate as you are removing or you're putting your SSD M.2 in. So this is the manual and tells you how you can install it. So basically I bought this. I wanted to clone my operating system to the SSD, because I'll be booting this SSD. I can move with it and I can use it on another computer. But basically I wanted to clone my operating system or my system for backup. That's the reason why I bought this SSD. So as you can see, this is how it looks. This is the SSD. It's already mounted. This side is a USB and this side is C-type connector, as you can see. So you just slide it in this enclosure and then it will fit. I've already installed on Windows 10 Pro. I used a Swiss disk copy and copied to my system all my data and operating system on this SSD, so it will be like a backup. Also, if I want to use my computer, to access my computer, I can access it from here because all the information is in here if I'm out of here. So this is how it is. It came, I ordered it from Amazon. Sorry, I ordered it from eBay. I ordered it from eBay. Yeah, so I've already done a cloning of my hard disk and the information is all here. So I'll be booting it and see how it boots up on my laptop. Alright, thank you for watching. It just fits in there. That's how it is. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.